I can't live without blank. I can't live without... Hey guys, it's me again, Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. Today, we are getting a little personal because I'm going to share with you guys facts about me. And aside from that, kasi it has been a good year for our channel. So, as a little way of saying thanks to you guys, I'm going to run my year-end or holiday giveaway. And the giveaway includes this 2021 Starbucks planner, yung color black ito. And this cute slippers from Shop Curated Pieces. Nakita nyo na to sa vlog ko na sleepwear haul. Isang set ng Laurent Cosmetics Airy Tint. Favorite ko sa Jessica. In fact, today and sa mga other vlogs ko pa, Jessica yung lagi kong wear na lipstick. Also, as you guys know, itong Barbie lashes ko ay gawa ni Lashes by XM. Mamimigay din siya ng free eyelash extension, but of course, sa mga Pampanga residents lang available yun. You guys could also win this set from Silver Aid. Tamang-tama for this new normal. Ito, sobrang gusto ko to. Ang bango-bango. It's the Natural Defense Hand Foaming Wash. Meron din siyang kasamang face, hand, and body spray. Pag gusto mong i-disinfect yung buong katawan mo, and medyo awkward naman kung alcohol yung pang-spray mo sa buong katawan mo, diba? And then meron ding soap. And eto naman, hand cream. Siyempre sa kaka-alcohol natin, hindi natin napapansin, nagda-dry na yung hands natin. And lastly, 5 pair of earrings of your choice from Malanne. Sobrang dami niyang magagandang designs. Ilang beses ko na rin siyang na-feature. By the way, I'm shooting this video today sa Cactus Coffee dito sa Marisol. It has been one of my go-to cafes lately kasi it's very minimalist and sobrang fan ako ng maganda yung lighting na place. Check out nyo siya since uso naman ngayon yung mga aesthetic cafes in Pampanga, yung mga nagka-cafe hopping. So if you're planning to do that, make sure this is part of your itinerary. So the first is, I have 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl. Si Tio is 7 years old and si Tala is 1 year old. Second fact about me, I have another baby and he's a dog. Si Coco, nakikita niyo yan sa Facebook ko and Instagram since 3 years na siya with me, si Coco Bear. Fact number 3, I am Kapampangan. Para sa mga followers ko or viewers ko na hindi from Pampanga, yan, kung hindi nyo alam, I'm from Pampanga and Kapampangan ako. Although, I don't really know how to speak Kapampangan fluently. Fave cuisine. Fave cuisine ko, anything Asian. I love Vietnamese food, Chinese food, Thai, Japanese, Korean, Indian, basta anything Asian, of course, Filipino. Next, fave K-drama and TV series. Favorite K-drama ko, anything PSG. Kasi kaka-start ko lang mag-watch ng K-drama this year. nitong nag-start yung lockdown. Basta, naging favorite ko si PSJ. So, lahat ng shows niya, favorite ko. And another favorite is her private life. Sobrang light and sobrang kilig. Tapos ngayon, sobrang nahuhook kami ni Isaac sa The World of the Married. As in, almusal, papanoorin namin bago matulog, papanoorin namin. Parang every chance we get, we watch The World of the Married. Other TV series naman, aside from K-drama, Grey's Anatomy. Nasa season 15 na ako, but habang wini-wait ko yung other seasons sa Netflix, currently, season 3 ako sa pagre-rewatch. Next, yun, plantita na ako, and this year lang din nag-start. So far, I have 15 kinds. Meron akong 3 Sansevieras, 3 potos, or 4 na potos, 3 monstera, and then yung mga iba-iba pa. Siguro pag mas madami na, bibigyan ko kayo ng plant tour. Abangan nyo na lang. Favorite book? Ito, nasagot ko na to dun sa Q&A ko na vlog. I uploaded it 6 months ago. Favorite book ko is si The Alchemist. Sobrang favorite ko yung line na when you want something with all your heart, all the universe conspire to help you achieve it. Celebrity crush or crushes? Ay, si PSJ, sinabi ko na kanina. So, yun, si PSJ lang naman yata yung celebrity crush. May celebrity crush pa ba, love? Si PSJ lang, no? Wala ka ibang napapansin na celebrity crush mo? Wala daw. Si PSJ lang daw, ang karibal niya. Love language. As you guys know, di ba, merong 5 na love language. Pwedeng touch, gifts, words, quality time, and acts of service. In my case, nung tinake ko yung test ng love language, 9 points pareho yung acts of service and quality time. So, effort talaga ako and time. Ganun kong sinushow yung love ko and ganun ko din gusto ma-receive yung love. So, very important na alam nyo yung love language nyo. So, check nyo rin yung sa inyo. I can't live without blank. I can't live without... Paano pag sinabi ko dito sa vlog, I can't live without you, love? Ririgan naman ako sa pusto. I can't live without, syempre, my loved ones. Pero aside from that, I can't live without coffee and phone. Oo, aminado ako, addict ako sa phone. Whether it's to play or to browse or to post or to stream, whatever. So, yun. May mukbang pala tayo today. Sobrang daldal ko. Hindi ko na-mention na may mukbang tayo today. All of this came from Mad Batter. Perfect for the holiday season. Kung naghahanap kayo ng cakes and sawa na kayo dun sa mga commercial na very common na cake. Meron siyang peanut butter and jelly, 5 texture na 3 leches chocolate cake. Banana cake na may chocolate chip. And then, I think this one is carrot cake na Sans Rival. And, ayan, binigyan niya ako. I'm very excited about this. It's the bacon ice cream. I think ito na yung uunahin ko sa mukbang. And meron akong panulak, which is, ito yung best seller dito. So, ito na rin yung palagi kong in-order. It's the sea salt latte of Cactus Coffee. Si Isaac naman, sa kanya yung pour over na brewed. Oh my God, sobrang lasang-lasa yung bacon. It's so good. Para akong kumakain ng Sylvania and bacon na pinagsama. Tapos ginawang ice cream. Parang ganun yung flavor niya. Now, back to the facts or trivia about me. So, dream vacation, local and international. International, syempre Korea. Simula nung nag-K-drama na kami, sobrang dream ko mag-Korea. Sabi ko nga kay Isaac, sana sa next life ko, kung totoo man yung reincarnation, sana maging Korean ako. Japan also, and Europe tour na ihahap mo talaga yung mga cities. And then, locally naman, Siargao. We haven't been to Siargao. And Benguet ba yun? Yung maraming flowers. Atok Benguet. Ito naman, skills that I want to learn or unlock. Yung mga next skills na gusto ko matutunan. This year lang ako natutong mag-edit ng video. And this year lang din ako natutong maghala-halaman. Dati, akala ko, any halaman na ma-own ko is mamamatay. But ngayon, dumadami na sila and then nakakapamigay pa ka ng plants sa ibang tao kasi nga napaparami ko yung plants. So, ang mga next skills naman na gusto kong ma-unlock is gusto kong matuto ng graphic design and gusto kong matutong mag-makeup ng pang-professional. Ngayon kasi parang naiingit ako dun sa mga vloggers na may glam team. And ako minsan nag-host ako ng event tapos ang hirap mag-book ng makeup artist. Para ako na lang, kaya ko nang gawin sa sarili ko. Favorite vloggers? Favorite ko ngayon yung mga Asian eh. I love Jen M. I love Jade Darmawangsa. Si Ana Akana. I really love Ana Akana. Next, favorite drinks, coffee and milk tea. Hindi ko na kailangan i-explain sa inyo yon at alam nyo na yon. Also, kung alak naman, I love wine, whiskey, and gin. Next, personality type. Ang personality type ko is ENFJ. Tama ba? ENFJ. Basta the campaigner. I am the campaigner. So, gusto ko nag-i-initiate, nagsa-start ng mga campaigns, sa mga ideas. Yun, gusto ko nagsi-spearhead, gusto ko nag-execute. Dream vlog ko is skydiving. Hindi pa siya natutupad, pero next month, meron akong vlog na it's with Pradera Flying Club. Abangan nyo yan. So, yung mga, alam nyo yung mga lightweight na planes. I forgot kung ano yung tawag mismo dun sa plane na yon. They're going to let me try it. And I'm excited. Basta wait nyo na lang yon. Ngayon naman, itry muna natin yung mga cakes bago ako tuluyang matapos. I love tres leches. So, unahin ko yung tres leches. Oh my God, sobrang sarap. By the way, guys, si Mad Butter, pinadala niya ako ng food. Pinadala niya to lahat, yes. Pero, this is not a paid advertisement. So, I think I am at liberty to say if it's really good or not. But so far, good yung bacon ice cream and itong tres leches. Ako mo, na-addict ka. Next ko naman, itong si peanut butter and jelly. Ako, mahilig ako sa peanut butter na flavor. Tingnan natin kung okay yung combination niya. Gusto ko yung peanut butter, pero dahil sobrang love ko yung peanut butter, para mas gusto ko kung pure to na peanut butter. But it's good, and meron pa siyang mga peanut butter chips sa taas. Sarap, no? Next naman natin si carrot cake. Ang harap nito. Ang sarap nito, lalo na siguro kung malamig. Yung kakakuha lang sa freezer. Fresh out of the fridge. Banana loaf with chocolate chip. Guys, kung nakikita nyo, sobrang daming chocolate chip. Hindi tinipid. And it's very moist. Kung irarank ko siguro yung mga kinain ko na products ni Mad Butter, my top 1 is tres leches. Top 2 ko yung bacon ice cream. Top 3 ko itong banana loaf. Pang-apat itong carrot cake Centrival. And then, pang-lima itong si peanut butter jelly. Last is, favorite game ko is chess. Hindi ako marunong ng any kinds ng ball games. Hindi din ako marunong ng mga online games like ML or Call of Duty, yung mga ganun. Hindi ko alam yung mga ganun game. So, old school ako. Favorite ko talaga yung chess. That's why, nung napanood ko yung Queen's Gambit sa Netflix, sobrang nahook kami. Agad namin tinapos. And every time, meron akong free time, naglalaro ako ng chess. Kahit kalaro ko lang yung computer or yung phone. To join the giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow the following accounts on Instagram, and don't forget to comment done down below once you're done para makonsolidate ko lahat ng entries. There will be 2 winners. 1 winner ng lahat ng products na pinakita ko kanina, and another winner naman ng Starbucks planner. I will be announcing the winners through my Instagram stories on January 11, 2021 para naman you have more or less 2 weeks pa to join. Again, thank you so much for all your support. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you next year. Bye!